In this video, we're going to show you how to use, having created your uh, category maps, I'm going to show you how to import these and create the various levels directly using from a spreadsheet as part of the initial import into the PIM. So first of all, I've got my category maps, I've got my category levels. So we discussed this in the last video. So best, then my parent, my second level best test 2. Then I've got a third level which I've added into this spreadsheet as best test 3. As we've said, leave this last one blank in the build of the spreadsheet. So the next thing we're going to do is go to our category list. So just go down to the categories, choose the category list, and then you want to get to this import button. In this instance, we're presented obviously with a menu. So we browse to our import sheet, which is this product category import test that we built. What we're doing is creating the new structures. So we're expecting to see 3 new structures. So we're going to use this create new records. Then we press next. The next thing we want to do is we want to map. Now, because obviously the titles are recognized within the field, then this is happening here. But you can also preset a map. You can actually have done this a number of times. You could have saved the map to save you some of the some of the time in sort of just doing those mappings. The important one is that the external reference, which we left blank in the field, needs a unique identifier. So this parent product category is going to be that. So I've within the file I've mapped that. Don't want to create pick lists, and I just want to do a normal upload. So all I'm doing now is having done my mapping to the file, which I've only got 4 fields in, remembering this external reference one specifically in this import for categories. I'm just going to submit it. What this does is it's going to queue the job, and it will send me an email in a minute to say that it's finished once it's completed. And once that's completed, we'll go back to, we've just obviously it has created the files, the 3 records that I'm expecting. We'll go back to our category list. We'll go back to our tree in this instance. And what you can see here is it's created the tree for us in this instance. If I switch this to the actual category list, I can see it best test 1, 3, 2 and 1 in the right order. So very important that you follow this routine when you're doing your initial imports and creating your category lists from a mass update.